This is Hands-on Equations, Lesson 21. In this lesson, you will solve equations using both colors of cubes and both colors of pawns. Let's work a couple together. I have 3 star plus a positive 2 is equal to negative 10 plus x. All right, so we've got pawns of both colors, we've got cubes of both colors. You can start with either. I'm going to start with the pawns first. So I want to get rid of this blue pawn, but I don't have a blue pawn over here. You learned in level 2 that you can add the missing half of a zero pair for pawns to both sides. So in order for this blue pawn to zero out, I need to pair it with a white pawn. So I added a white pawn on the right side and a white pawn on the left side. Now I've created a zero pair and I can drop them down. So now I've got just the negative 10. So then my next move would want to be getting rid of this positive 2. And you learned earlier in level 3, you can add the missing half of a zero pair to both sides. So then you can drop this down. So now I have 4 stars is equal to negative 12. So some number added to itself 4 times is equal to negative 12. Or some number times 4 equals negative 12. Well, star must equal a negative 3 because negative 3 times 4 is negative 12, or negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 3 is 12. Well, you learned in level 2, if star is negative 3, x is its opposite. And so opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. Now I need to build back my original equation. So I'm going to remove those 2 white pawns from each side that I had added to zero out. I'm going to bring back my red 2. I'm going to get rid of my green 2s on each side that I added in to take care of the cubes. So I have negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 3. Negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 3 is negative 9. Negative 9 plus a positive 2 is negative 7. Negative 10 plus a positive 3 is also negative 7. So my check is negative 7 equals negative 7. Let's try another one. I have 2 stars plus a positive 3 is equal to negative 6, so a green 6 plus x. All right, so I can start with either cubes or pawns. It doesn't matter. You have some options. I'm going to start with the pawn, and I have a blue pawn on this side and white pawns on this side. I want to get rid of this blue pawn, and so I'm going to add in its missing half of a zero pair. And if I do that on the left or right side, I need to do that on the left side. So I added a white pawn on each side. By doing that, I've created this zero pair, so I'm going to drop that down. Now I've isolated this cube to be by itself. So my next target would be this red 3. I want to get rid of that. I'm going to add in its missing half of a zero pair. So I add a green 3 to both sides. I've created that zero pair, so I can drop that down. So now I've got my variables, my pawns on one side, and my constants or my cubes on the other side. So I have 3 pawns, 3 stars. So some number times 3 is negative 9. Or some number added to itself 3 times is negative 9. Well, I know that negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. So if my star is worth negative 3, my x is worth 3. Now I'm going to undo all those moves I did to build back my original equation to do my check. So negative 3 plus negative 3. And again, if this is negative 3 and I see a positive 3 here, I know that this is a zero pair. So I know that this left side is worth negative 3. Negative 6 plus a positive 3 is also negative 3. So negative 3 equals negative 3. So in today's lesson, you solved equations using both colors of cubes and both colors of pawns, pulling together all the legal moves you've learned so far.